So a lot of times in this industry, I get asked when it is a good time to start putting together a maintenance plan and when is it a good time for us to start repaving. And this slot's going to give you a good example of that. As you can see, they've done a lot of crack sealing, they've done a lot of seal coating, it looks like, in the past. But it's getting to that point where you're starting to see some heavy allegation throughout this lot, and what it's good to do now, especially with the way that COVID affected everybody, is really start looking outwards of 2 to 3 to 5 years to take a look at repaving your entire lot. It's going to give you the best repair over time. And also it's going to handle a lot of and address a lot of these areas that we see with this allegation. Sometimes it's all going to be based on budget, so it's good for us to put together a good maintenance plan for you moving forward. That way you can prepare yourself for what's to come in the next coming years with your pavement. So reach out to us with an asphalt assessment and we'll come out here and put together a good maintenance plan for you moving forward.